Can you help me knock out some of my to-dos? Also, can you put out some music?
Let me pull that up. All right, I see your list. Dev Day activation idea, developer homepage copy, weekly DX agenda, and the conference speaker shortlist. Which one do you want to tackle first?
Let's start with the Dev Day activation ideas. I've had a couple ideas, and I'm hoping we can brainstorm together. One idea is controlling codecs from a Game Boy. Another is a booth where people use ChatGPT and image generation to design custom t-shirt and get it printed right there. I also like the idea of something collaborative, where everybody contributes to the same game. What do you think?
Those are all strong.
Can you start working on a visual pitch deck?
On it. Let me take a first pass.
Here's the difference between dictation and ChatGPT Voice. Dictation turns what I say into a prompt. Voice is an ongoing conversation that stays with me while I work. You can see my screen when I ask, talk through what I'm working on with me, and keep working in the background while I switch between apps. You can start new tasks or check in on existing ones. You can start a conversation from the real-time voice button or the hotkey. And once it's running, ChatGPT stays with you as you move between apps. It sounds like the DX team is planning offsite. Do you see what I'm looking at?
One sec. Yes, I see that. So the offsite in Paris is August 26th through 28th, starting Wednesday morning and ending Friday afternoon.
Voice can use this on my screen, connected apps, and can gather the other context it needs for tasks in the background. Here, it can combine the Slack requests with my calendar. It could also use the context from Gmail or other connected tools without making me navigate through every app myself.
Do you want to come back Friday or Sunday?
I think I prefer to stay for the weekend. Can you check what I have going on Monday and Tuesday?
So Monday the 31st of August is clear, no events. Tuesday the 1st of September is open until 4 p.m. when you've got marketing and legal office hours and also AI tooling demos and happy hour. So if you're back Sunday, you've got plenty of buffer.
Great. In Navon, can you prepare the flights and hotel so I arrive on Tuesday and get back on Sunday afternoon or early evening? Don't book anything, just take it to the final review step.
Sounds good. I'll tee it up and stop before any purchase. The deck is ready too. We can look at it anytime.
Yeah, can you open the deck in Chrome? I can move on while the tasks work. When something's ready, Voice brings it back, and I decide whether to redirect it, share it, or take it to the next step. This looks great. Can you send it to Ramon on Slack?
The Dev Day pitch ideas deck is sent.
Awesome. And it looks like my travel to Paris is ready to be booked.
Yep, it's all staged and waiting in November. Nothing's booked or charged. Flights and hotel are ready for your final review clicks. You should see the 2 tabs.
These look good to me. I'll take it from here. I can keep one conversation going, talk through what needs to happen, and send work to the right task while I stay in flow. That's ChatGPT Voice. The next time you use ChatGPT, you don't have to stop what you're doing. Just start the conversation and keep working.